Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to do theorem number 6.8. This theorem is also known as Pythagoras theorem and you all are using this theorem already. But today we will prove it. What we have to prove? In a right triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. मीनिंग एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में जो हाइपोटेनियस का स्क्वायर है दैट इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर्स ऑफ रिमेनिंग टू साइड्स ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. So first of all we are going to draw the figure and here we have to draw a right angle triangle. Like this. In triangle ABC, angle B is of 90 degree. मीनिंग हाइपोटेनियस को बेस लेकर हमें फिगर को ड्रॉ करना है. तो व्हाट इज गिवन इन ट्रायंगल ABC, एंगल B जो है वो 90 डिग्री आपको गिवन है. टू प्रूव what we have to prove, side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. So therefore AC square is the hypotenuse and we have to prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. To prove this theorem students we have to make a construction. Draw BD perpendicular to AC. Meaning from point D we have to draw a perpendicular on AC like this. So it means this angle and this one are of 90 degree. Let us start its proof now. See students, in triangle ABD and CBA we are taking these two triangles. ABD meaning this one and CBA means जो main triangle आपको given थी. In these two triangles, angle A is common. ABD and CBA. And we can mark this one angle of triangle ABD as angle 1. And angle 1 is equal to angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. So by AA similarity rule, triangle ABD is similar to triangle because vertex A was common, so we can write the name of another triangle as. Now we cannot write here CBA को हम repeat नहीं करेंगे because we have to write correct order. जिस order में ये similar हुई हैं we have to use that only. ABD and D point पर angle 90 degree given है and ABC में जो है point B पर given है, so this will be C. Triangle ACB and ABD are similar. तो जब ये similar हैं we will get the ratio. We get AB by AC is equal to BD by CB is equal to AD by AB. And we can multiply first and third ratio. So therefore we will get AB square is equal to AC into AD. We have to save this result. Similarly, in triangle BDC and ABC, again we can say ABC and BDC में now angle C is common and in triangle BDC which angle is of 90 degree? You can give it this one angle as name 2. Angle 2 is equal to angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. So therefore by AA similarity rule, triangle BDC इज सिमिलर, ट्राइंगल BDC जो है वो किसके सिमिलर होगी, BDC। तो D पॉइंट पर एंगल 90 है एंड इसमें पॉइंट B पर है, तो सेकेंड पॉइंट, थर्ड पॉइंट एंड ABC के सेम ऑर्डर में ही ये सिमिलर हो गए। एंड वी कैन राइट द रेशो नाउ, BD बाय AB इज इक्वल टू DC बाय BC is equal to BC by AC. Now multiplying last two ratios, we will get BC square is equal to DC into AC. Again save this result. Now this is our equation 1 and this one is our equation number 2. So we will add these two equations. On adding, what do we get? ऑन एडिंग इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2, राइट साइड को राइट साइड में ऐड करेंगे, लेफ्ट को लेफ्ट में, वी विल गेट AB स्क्वेयर प्लस BC स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू AC इंटू AD प्लस DC इंटू AC. नाउ यू कैन सी AC इज कॉमन हेयर, so we can write AD plus DC, and from the figure you can check that AD plus DC is equal to AC. So we get, and it will be equal to AC square. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Hence proved. Very simple and easy theorem. You have to learn the proof of this theorem. This theorem is not deducted from the syllabus this year. Only converse of this theorem is deducted. Meaning no need to do the proof of theorem number 6.9, but 6.8 का proof जो है वो आपको learn करना है. Let us start our exercise 6.5. Question number 1. Sides of triangle are given below. Determine which of them are right angle triangles. In case of right angle triangle, write the length of its hypotenuse. There are some lengths and you have to check whether they are the sides of a right angle triangle or not. So we have to use the theorem which we have studied for this exercise. Students, we know if square of a side is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides, then the triangle is a right angle triangle. So first of all, what we have to do here we will find the square of the given sides. 7 square is 49, 24 square is 576 and 25 square is equal to the 625, and we see that here 49 plus 556 gives you 625, and which is equal to 25 square. So by Pythagoras theorem, given sides form a right angle triangle. Similarly, second part, in that 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter. 3 square is 9, 6 square is 36 and 8 square is 64. Now the sum of the squares 9 plus 36, meaning जो smaller sides हैं उनके sum को plus करेंगे 45, and 45 is not equal to 64. So these are not the sides of a right angle triangle. Similarly, you can do part number 3 and part number 4. Here again part number 3 is not forming a right angle triangle, and in part number 1 we have to also write the length of the hypotenuse. So here the length of hypotenuse is 25 centimeter, and in part 4 13 सेंटीमीटर, 12 सेंटीमीटर, 5 सेंटीमीटर. 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144, 5 square is 25, and here you see 144 plus 25 gives you 169. So yes, these are the sides of a right triangle. And what is the length of hypotenuse? Length of hypotenuse is 13 centimeter because longest side is always hypotenuse. Let us start question number 2 of exercise 6.5. PQR is a triangle, right angle at P, and M is a point on QR such that PM जो है that is perpendicular to QR, and this figure is similar to that figure which was drawn to prove the Pythagoras theorem, and proof भी उसी type से similar है. And we have to prove here that PM square is equal to QM into MR. You have to remind दिस प्रॉपर्टी डायरेक्टली बेटा कि जब एक राइट एंगल के पॉइंट से हाइपोटेन्यूज पर एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करें, देन द स्क्वायर ऑफ दैट परपेंडिकुलर इज इक्वल टू द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ क्यू एम इंटू एम आर, मीनिंग जिस साइड पर या हाइपोटेन्यूज पर उसको ड्रॉ किया है वहाँ पर उन दोनों साइड्स का जो पार्ट्स हैं उनके प्रोडक्ट के इक्वल होगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू डू हेयर, वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर जो है दैट इज सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल क्यू एम पी, एंड इसी पी क्यू आर को आपको पी एम आर के भी सिमिलर करना है जिस टाइप से हमने पाइथागोरस थ्योरम के लिए किया था. तो फर्स्ट एंगल क्यू इज कॉमन एंड एंगल 1 और एंगल पी जो है दे आर ऑफ 90 डिग्री. तो ट्राइंगल पी क्यू एम एंड पी क्यू आर विल बी सिमिलर. सिमिलरली पी क्यू आर को एम पी आर के सिमिलर आप करेंगे. नाउ यू कैन सी इन इक्वेशन नंबर 1 and 2 बोथ द ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर. वी गेट, तो इट मीन्स जब दोनों ही ट्राइंगल्स ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर के सिमिलर हैं तो देयरफॉर दे आर सिमिलर टू ईच अदर. वी कैन से एम क्यू पी इज सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल एम पी आर. दिस इज पी. नाउ वी कैन राइट द रेशो एम क्यू बाय एम पी, क्यू पी बाय पी आर इज इक्वल टू एम पी बाय एम आर. Now we can cross multiply first and third ratio and we will get MP square is equal to MQ into MR. Hence proved. Students, you will try question number 3 yourself. Very simple question. एंड सेम है आपको. राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल ए बी डी इज गिवन, राइट एंगल एट ए है एंड परपेंडिकुलर इज ड्रॉन ऑन द हाइपोटेन्यूज एंड यू हैव टू प्रूव द रिमेनिंग गिवन ऑप्शंस. सो सेम क्वेश्चन है जिस टाइप से अभी हमने सेकेंड किया है, ओनली उसमें आपने रेशो को लिखकर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया एंड इसमें वो करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at C. Prove that AB square is equal to double of AC square. Triangle ABC is isosceles triangle and right angle is at C. तो इट मीन्स इसकी फिगर को हमें इस टाइप से बनाना है कि ये आइसोसेलेस भी बने और राइट एंगल भी बने, एंड दिस इज C. आई कैन नेम इट एज ट्राइंगल ABC एंड AC एंड BC आपको इक्वल गिवन है. तो वेरी सिंपल प्रूफ अगेन फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. इन ट्राइंगल ए बी सी आपको पॉइंट सी पर एंगल 90 गिवन है. तो बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यू कैन राइट ए बी स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू ए सी स्क्वेयर प्लस बी सी स्क्वेयर, बट ए सी इज इक्वल टू बी सी आपको गिवन है. तो इट मीन्स आप रिप्लेस कर सकते हो बी सी की वैल्यू को ए सी से. So we get AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square, and we get AB square is equal to double of AC square. Very simple question, hence proved. Question number 5. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC is equal to BC. If AB square is equal to 2AC square, then prove that triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Now question number 5 is converse of question 4. इसमें राइट एंगल आपको फोर्थ में गिवन था, एंड इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 यू हैव टू प्रूव दैट इट इज़ अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. तो फिगर तो हम सेम ही ड्रॉ करेंगे, एंड आइसोसेलेस भी आपको गिवन है. प्रूफ इन ट्राइंगल ए बी सी AC is equal to BC. दिस इज गिवन, एंड आपको गिवन है AB स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू 2AC स्क्वेयर. दिस इज ऑल्सो गिवन. तो इट मीन्स AB स्क्वेयर को हम लिख सकते हैं 2AC स्क्वेयर को AC स्क्वेयर बट प्लस AC स्क्वेयर, बट AC इज इक्वल टू BC स्क्वेयर. सो वी कैन रिप्लेस इट BC स्क्वेयर प्लस AC स्क्वेयर. तो बाय कन्वर्स ऑफ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम we observe that triangle ABC is a right triangle. Why? Because the sum of squares of two sides is equal to the square of third side, and at which point angle is of 90 degree. Here AB is the longest length, so angle opposite to AB is angle C. Angle C is of 90 degree. Very simple question, and you all can do it very easily. Now we are going to question number 6. Question 6. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. It means we have to draw the figure of a equilateral triangle. Here triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle where BC की जो लेंथ है that is equal to 2A. This is given to us, and BC, AB and AC all are equal. Find each of its altitudes. Now we are going to draw an altitude of this triangle as AD, because it is altitude, so this angle will be of 90 degree. So what is given here? In triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to 2A is given, and AD perpendicular to BC, this is also given. So therefore in triangle ABD, angle ADB is of 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem we can write AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. But in an equilateral triangle, altitude bisects its side. So by using that property we can write BD को हम लिख सकते हैं BC by 2 square, and it will be AB square plus AD square plus, and value of BC is 2A, so its square will be 4A square by 4, because square of 2 will be, and AB is also given to you 2A. So 4A square minus A square is equal to AD square, and we get AD square is equal to 3A square, and by taking square root we will get under root 3A. So therefore length of altitude is under root 3a, and we know all the altitudes of equilateral triangle are of same length. Therefore, each altitude will be of under root 3a. Question number 7. Prove that the sum of squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the square of its diagonals. Here, first of all, we have to draw a rhombus. And rhombus is a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal in length. So we can name it as A, B, C, D. What is given? A rhombus ABCD. To prove the sum of squares of its sides, meaning we have to prove AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square is equal to the sum of squares of its diagonals AC square plus BD square, because AC and BD are its diagonals. Proof. We know diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. What does it mean? It means that both the diagonals bisect each other, meaning BO and OD are equal and OC and OA are equal. Bisector stands for this, and perpendicular means the point of intersection जो given है at that point जो the angle is of 90 degree, meaning both the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So therefore in triangle AOB, angle AOB जो है that is of 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem we can write AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square, and we know that OA is half of AC and OB is half of BD. So we can write it as AC square by 4 plus BD square by 4. And now we get AB square is equal to 4 LCM AC square plus BD square. On cross multiplication we will get 4 into AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Now we know that all the sides of rhombus are equal, तो it means इस 4 को हम लिख सकते हैं AB square plus AB square plus AB square plus AB square. And now we can replace, एक AB को हम रिप्लेस कर देंगे BC से, अनदर को CD से एंड लास्ट वन को AD से, because all the sides of the rhombus are equal. Hence we get the desired result. So our question is proved. Simple question. Thank you students.